Okay, now guys, we're here to test this Syma X23 indoor flight. This is going to be indoor flight. First, let's turn on the controller, and then the drone. It's blinking, let's bind it. And then we're going to calibrate the gyro. Now it's done. There's two ways to start the drone to fly. First is you're going to pull all the joysticks to the center down, like that. The motors will start. Turn off the motor. You have to put it again, like that. Okay? And the other one is the one key takeoff. Let's try the one key takeoff. You have to press this button here. There. It's going to fly, and as you see, the drone is not really moving. The drone is very stable. I think there's a little bit of wind, it's blowing it, but when you have almost zero wind scenario like that, the drone is going to stay, and this drone is very stable. Now this drone is, the default of this drone when it flies is low rate. There's two rate of this drone, the low rate and the high rate. Now we are in the low rate. Now let's see how this drone flies. Low rate. This place is 10 feet wide, so you'll have an idea how this place, the size of this place, this room. We're going to try to go to the obstacle. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm not really good in flying drone. It's hard to control the drone if you're not really an expert. Let's try it again. There. I made it through again, once again. Whoa. Whoa. There. You see? Let's land it. You be careful when this crash down. Sometimes the cap of the props take off. As you see here, you're going to lose this if you're not looking at the drone. But you see, even if the drone is crashing in the wall, it's not really it did not crash down. Let's try it again. Drone is stable. It's holding its altitude well. I think we have to calibrate the gyro. Let's calibrate it. Calibration. Okay, let's fly it again. Now it's stable again. We're going to do it again. Obstacle. This is really good for indoor. Now let's try to high rate. To go to high rate, let's just press this joystick here, the right joystick. You're going to hear 2 beeps. Now we are at the high rate. You see, it's a bit faster than the low rate. Let's try it again. Whoa! Now, that's a crash. And you see 2 cups of this prop. The props cup is taking off. You have to look at it, and let's see if this drone still fly even if it had a hard crash. Now we're going to calibrate it again. Here you go. I'm going to fly it manually. Well, still fly. If you're going to crash this many times, this drone is solid. So this drone will last long. If you're going to crash it many times, it's okay. Now let's do a flip. To do the flip, push this button here and to wherever you want to flip, and then you push this joystick to wherever direction you want to flip it. Okay, let's do it. Whoa. Nice. Front flip. Very nice. We are still at the low rate, I think. Let's see if we are on the low rate. Now we're in the low rate. We're going to be back in high rate. 2 beeps. There you go. Sorry if I'm not a good pilot. But that's going to be a good test if this drone is a good drone for indoor flying, because you're going to crash this many times, and this drone is good for indoor. And also good drone, and also this is a good drone for beginner, because in low rate you can control this drone smoothly. We're going to go to low rate. Oh, I pressed the landing. Now that's low rate. And we're going to push it there again. Nice. Again. Oops. It's going back. Again. Woo! Not there. Whoa. A very nice looking drone. It's like a spaceship in movies. Do it again. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Not really good. Not really a good pilot. Try it again. Nice. I could do it with more practice, I think. Woohoo! A very stable drone. Whoa! when I flipped it, this cap took off. Maybe it's okay if these cups are gone. It will still fly. try to let's try to stick it up in the ceilings and see what is going to happen. Oh, look that there, the bulb. Whoa. It's okay if you put it in the ceiling like that. But don't do that, okay? It's just a test. This place is so many metals here. Have so many metals, so this place is not good for flying drones. But this is a test so that you'll be able to see how this drone will perform here. Whoa! The cup took off again. Nice flip. Woo! It went down. Oh, there's a battery low voltage. Now this drone is going to land, and we're going to see how long it's going to take for it to land. See, I'm not doing anything here. See, oh, it's going to land now. It's bringing up. The battery juice is all gone. So guys, we're going to get the cup first. Let's put it back here. That's the Syma X23. I hope you guys enjoy it. I've crashed it many times and still it fly. So that's a very good crash test. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And please subscribe to my channel and click that bell button so you're going to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, guys.